Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are trying Ethiopian food. We will list down below the restaurant and what we have because we have a few different things and I can't remember everything. So we'll list it down below. And we are trying 7-Up has a new drink, the Shirley Temple 7-Up. So we're trying that too. So come on, Jada, let's dive in. Let's see what we got. And we have the,
what's this called?
I forgot. I'll list it. Okay, so I'm going to try.
Somebody put in the comments what this is called.
Yeah, because this is our first time. So,
What are we
I know we
first?
just, the one with the egg. That bread is kind of sweet.
I taste something.
It's sweet.
You taste something sweet. I taste something spicy. And I taste something sour.
Okay, I'm going to try the cabbage. I'm not going to try the cabbage with... The cabbage is really good. The cabbage is really good. They gave us one boiled egg, you guys, and I just cut the boiled egg in half.
The cabbage is good.
Yeah, that something was just spicy. This bread tastes like a pancake. It's the texture of a pancake.
It doesn't to me.
The
The bread is what I taste that's sour. Try the bread by itself. It tastes a little sour.
The grains.
The greens are okay. They're a little greasy. But not bad.
This is
Some beef.
uh-oh. Let me try this.
The beef, it has a good flavor. It's cooked a little bit too much to my liking.
I'm assuming
Right.
this is because I can't taste the soda now. Because all of this other stuff I'm tasting. I can't
Maybe.
taste it.
You probably have to clear your palate first.
Oh wow. They gave us a little like a tomato avocado salad on the side as well with onion.
Yeah, no, I'm not eating the onion.
It's pretty good. What'd you give it?
It's okay.
Okay.
It's not my favorite. I think I like the African food a little bit better.
Okay. All right, you guys. We'll put down below where we went. Make sure you try some Ethiopian food, guys. See you later. Bye.